Unlock the meaning of land a win in English. Hello, dear learners and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you may have heard in conversations, sports commentary, or in the business world: land a win. Understanding such phrases can enhance your fluency and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unpack what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English. The phrase, land a win, is a colorful way to say that someone has achieved a victory or has been successful in an effort or challenge. It's as if WN was a destination and someone has successfully landed on it, much like an airplane lands at an airport after a journey. The word land, in this context, is used to convey the idea of successfully reaching or securing a desired outcome. Let's look closer at the two key words here: land and win. Land here is a verb that implies successfully acquiring or attaining something. It's often used in a range of contexts to suggest the achievement of a goal after some effort, such as land a job or land a deal. Win is a noun that denotes success in a contest, game, or other endeavors. When we say someone has a win, we mean they have come out on top, opposite of a loss. When combined, land a win suggests not just winning, but doing so after a period of anticipation or effort, implying a successful end to a journey of sorts. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. In sports, a commentator might say, "The team has landed a win after a season of tough losses." In business, after several failed pitches, the young startup finally landed a win with their new app. In personal achievements, she studied hard for the exams and landed a win with top marks. To use land a win in your English, remember that it's best suited for informal contexts and conversations. It can be used to motivate or congratulate someone. For example, "You've been practicing hard. You're going to land a win tomorrow." Or when congratulating someone, "I heard about your tournament. You really landed a win." Now that you understand what land a win means, it's practice time. Try to make your sentences with land a win and share them with friends or in the comments below. Remember, practicing by using the phrase in various scenarios is key to mastering it. I hope this explainer has helped clarify the phrase land a win for you. Use it to describe successes and victories in sports, business, and life. May you all land your wins in learning English. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try out new phrases. Goodbye, and good luck with your English learning journey.